Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit photo into 3D computer font miniature with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the miniature looks like, and I'm going to show you how we can create this miniature. If you want to create this miniature, you can use Gemini. So first of all, you can install this Gemini app on your mobile phone or on your computer if you want to open it from your computer, or you can visit Gemini website, gemini.google.com. And I'm going to open up my Gemini, and here if we want to create the miniature, we can use Nano Banana feature. So this is new feature on Gemini guys, and this feature will let you to edit your photo. And if you cannot see this Nano Banana feature, I recommend you to update the Gemini. You can update it on Play Store or Apple Store if you are iOS user. And then you can choose this Nano Banana feature shown by this banana icon, and then you can upload the image that you want to edit. And for example, I'm going to edit this image. I'm going to turn this image into 3D computer font miniature. Okay, and I'm going to show you the prompt guys. I'm going to paste my prompt, and then we can send the prompt and also the photo to AI, and the AI will do something according to your prompt. Okay, wait guys. Okay, and this is the result. If you want to download the miniature, you can click on this download icon, and then the photo will be saved to your device. And if you want to make it move, you can use Pixverse, or if you have subscribed to Gemini, you can use VEO. I'm going to use Pixverse. So here I have already opened the Pixverse, and don't worry guys, because Pixverse is free. Pixverse will give us 60 credits for the daily credits. And then I'm going to upload the miniature we have just created using Nano Banana. And then for the prompt, you can add human hand pig 3D model like this. And then I'm going to click on create, and then the video will be created guys. Okay, done. This is the video. And okay guys, that's all the way to edit photo into 3D computer font miniature with AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.